Range Rover Sport. We're starting at the back and showing you that badge. This is the P400 HSE Dynamic, finished in Fuji white. So this car's the plug-in electric, but it'll switch to petrol, 400 brake horsepower. One of the first hybrid Land Rovers that were produced was around about this year. So this is one of the first ones. So you're benefiting from the latest technology, but at that slightly better price range. The car's a HSE Dynamic. It's got a full black styling pack. It's got a contrasting black roof. It's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. It's beautiful. It's done 26,000 miles. Beautiful sweeping LED headlights. Like I said, it's a Dynamic. So the front bumper is all colour coded. So on a Dynamic, you get different bumpers. So the front bumpers here, all colour coded in black, black grille, black badging, and then the big inserts. Let me tell you a little bit about the engine. So it's called a P400. So it's a 2 litre, 400 horsepower. Plug-in, you'll get 30 miles. So if you're doing short journeys, it's perfect. And then it'll switch to petrol once the 30 miles is out. So if you charge it from home, I've had one of these cars, you plug it in, takes about an hour and a half and you get your 30 miles, and then it'll switch to petrol. If you're in a city, it's ideal. It self-charge a little bit as well when you're braking, but this particular model, I think, is really up to date. 21-inch wheels. That's the wheels you get on a P400. You can't get any bigger wheels, so they are beautiful. They're in high gloss black. Red calipers, black bonnet inserts and inserts on the wings, side steps, privacy glass, and like I said at the start, it's got a contrasting black roof, so it looks particularly nice. Inside, it's got black leather. It's all keyless entry, and then with the car being a Dynamic, you get a different steering wheel. So I'm just going to turn them lights off. Starting at the door card, you've got Meridian sound system, you've got memory seats, you've got illuminated kick plates, but you get a lovely, slightly smaller Dynamic steering wheel. Sliding sunroof, massive, massive feature. A lot of them only have glass roofs. You've then got your multifunctional steering wheel with your cruise control. If we go in here, you've got all your features. So you've got your Apple CarPlay, slide that along, sorry, Apple CarPlay, reversing camera. But the difference is with it being an electric, you've got the options like My EV. So this shows you, at the moment we've got no charge because it hasn't been charged. So you've got all them features there. You press that EV button and then it'll switch to complete charge once the car's charged. All your DAB, all your other features you would expect. Charging points in the centre, but it's a lovely, lovely car. The condition of it is beautiful. 2 keys, everything's with it. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, heated seats, driver and passenger, heated seats in the rear as well. All the original Land Rover matte Meridian speakers in the back as well. So it's a really nicely spec'd, great looking, sensible miles, but it's all about the engine for me. So in here, you've got your charging cable, you've got your parcel shelf, still got massive boot space, and you can drop your seats down there as well. So that car will sell. I've just looked what's available. There is not lots of cars available. This car's going to be priced right. It's the right specification. It's a HSE Dynamic, white with a black styling, only 26,000 miles. Great example, going live on our website now.